You are standing beside the old Dean Bridge, built in 1643 by the Baxters. Look for a carved stone in the wall showing the symbols of the Baxters' trade. Crossed peels, the wooden shovels that are used to move loaves in and out of ovens. The Baxters also built the toll booth, the impressive ochre yellow building across the road. They built it in 1675. It was a granary, their headquarters, and of course where they gathered tolls from the citizens using the bridge they built. The inscription above the door reads, "God bless the Baxters of Edinburgh who built this house." Across the river are the buildings of West Mills, converted into housing in the 1970s. If you follow the path down Miller's Row, you will encounter a small park and the site of Lindsay's Mill. In the park you'll see 3 millstones. They are not the traditionally quarried millstones, but are imported French quartz. When grain became cheaper to import from America, it was much harder and drier than the local grain, so they needed a tougher stone. The stones are in sections bound by a steel band as they were too heavy to import complete. Also in the park you will hear the roar of World's End Weir, another vertical weir on the river. This weir fed the Great Leith, an impressive Leith or mill race which ran for over 2 miles, powering a further 8 mills all the way from here to Cannon Mills. Along much of its length the Great Leith was carried in a wooden trough above head height. It was a great feat of engineering. As you continue downstream, you can appreciate how deep the valley is as you pass under the river's most impressive bridge. The Dean Bridge was designed and engineered by Thomas Telford and was built in 1830. It was commissioned by John Learmonth, the Lord Provost and Princes Street coachmaker, who owned all the land to the north of the river. The venture cost £30,000, and in the 19th century an additional parapet was added to negate suicides. The next audio point is at Suburban Swell.